This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. So in this session, we are going to see what is a Tcode. So in SAP, this is a very common word. Tcode stands for transaction code. It is a shortcut to this transaction code. So transaction code in shortcut is referred as Tcode. Like a few example from very famous Tcode. So you can take this as one of the transaction delivered by SAP. So then you can put in your SAP GUI screen. When you enter, you see a particular screen which is behind this particular transaction code. Now, if you go into details, what exactly is a transaction code? Every T code has an underlying program. So when you are executing a T code, so you have to understand something like a program is being executed in the background. So now I need to know what is the program that is getting executed, or how the backend screen, when I enter the T code, how that screen is coming up. So for this, the most important another T code is SE93, where you can find every T code details, you can say. So let me go to SE93. Now, after going to SE93, here you can see display icon, change icon, create icon. Now I want to know details about my SU01 transaction. So when I click on display, you can see the details of this particular Tcode transaction code. SU01. The text is user maintenance. The program that is being executed in the background is this program. So let me now note down this program name. So the Tcode is SU01 and the program behind it or executing in the background is this program. So let us see, to execute a program, you can go to SE38 or SA38 and we will execute this program and check it, whether the same screen is coming up or not. First of all, so just for testing purposes, /n SE38, I put the program name and then execute here. So I'm getting the same screen as that, as SU01. So what you have to understand is every T code is a shortcut to a program that is being executed in the program. In this case, for SU01, this is my program name. And how do you find this program or the details of the program is through this T code SE93. So this is the transaction of SE93. And you have something like authorization objects interlinked, or this transaction when executed, there are some authorizations being checked. What all authorizations are being checked in the background when this transaction is executed, that we can know through SU24. So if you go to SU24, you can know what all authorizations related to a T code. So let me go to transaction SU24 and then you put SU01. I wanted to know what all authorizations are checked when this transaction is being executed. I execute here and then you get the list of authorization objects. Filter by proposal yes here. So you can filter by yes. These are the following authorization objects that are being checked when this particular transaction is executed. Okay, so this information is lying under SU24 transaction. So this is about SU24 transaction, and then there is now the tables related to, what are the tables related to transactions? So where you get the complete list of tables, TSTC has the complete list of tables, sorry, list of Tcodes, and then TSTCT contains the text of the Tcodes. So in TSTC you don't get the text, I mean description, but in TSTCT you get the description of the Tcodes. So let us see these tables now. So to execute the tables, the transaction is SE16. So you can go to TSTC, then remove this limit here, and then execute. You can, without executing, you can click on number of entries. You can know how many transactions are there in this system, 7,038 transactions. And if you want to see the transactions, just click on execute here. So you will see the list of transactions. These are all the list of transactions available in TSTC table. Now, if you go to TSTCT, it even contains the text of the Tcodes as well. So just put the language as English here. So this is English language, and then remove this limit here, execute. So you get the Tcode and then the text. Suppose I want to see all the Tcodes related starting with SU. I execute like this, and I can see all the transactions starting with SU, and these are the text of those Tcodes. Okay, so this is the most important information related to a Tcode. So what is a transaction code? It is a shortcut to a program that is being executed in the background. To know the program, you can go to SE93 and find the details of the Tcode. And then SU24 gives you the authorizations related to the Tcode that are being checked. And the tables related to Tcodes are TSTC and TSTCT. This gives you the text of the Tcodes also. So if you want to check whether Tcode exists in the system or not, these are the correct tables, right? So this is all the information about a Tcode. Thank you.